Assalamu alaikum. Today's a trip towards the Pink Lake. It was only a few days back we got to know there's a pink lake in UAE, and we were extremely excited to know about this because usually we get to know about the pink lakes which are very far away from us, like in Australia, Canada, Spain, and all. But then when we got to know it's there in UAE, which is very near to us, we were super excited about this. So today is a visit to the Pink Lake and Daya Fort, as well as a little campfire in the middle of a desert with our friends Shijin and Kuku. So Pink Lake is located towards the north of Ras Al Khaimah at Saraya Islands, near to the Al Rams beach area. Four-wheel drive vehicles are preferable while coming to the Pink Lake. However, sedan cars can also be used provided you park the vehicle around 200 meters away from the lake. The Pink Lake is about 40 meters long and 10 meters wide, and it is because of the presence of red algae in it that causes the discoloration of water. We can see high amounts of salt around the lake everywhere, and it is said that the salinity of the lake is 4 times higher than the sea water, due to which the algae is growing in it. The lake is located with Jebel Rams mountain on one side and Al Rams beach on the other side. So after that we set forth to view the Daya Fort, which is only 14 minutes drive from the Pink Lake in Ras Al Khaimah. Daya Fort is the highest hilltop fort of UAE, which was built in the 19th century, and it has a beautiful sunset view. So we had to start climbing the steps to reach the fort on the top. The steps were in a zigzag manner, and as the weather was quite fine, we didn't feel that much tired after reaching the top. The view of the mountains, the palm gardens, and the sea was amazing on the top. There were two single room forts on the top, and we were able to climb on top of the forts to have a better view, and the view was fantastic. After that, we decided to camp in a nearby desert area. Shijin and Kuku had bought an LED camping lamp from Amazon, which was very helpful for us. While we were settling down, the kids were busy playing. While we were in India, Shijin and Kuku had been exploring different places and building campfire many times, so we learned the techniques of building a campfire from them. This was my first experience of building campfire in UAE, and it was wonderful. After that, we decided to have dinner. The food was being heated up. Kuku had brought some pepper chicken and I had brought grilled chicken with mutabal. As the night was advancing, it was getting colder. The temperature was around 14 to 15 degrees, and it was so beautiful watching the warm campfire and chit-chatting with each other. After dinner, we had a cup of Suleimani to heat us up in the middle of the cold night. So after that, we switched off the light and all of us gathered around the campfire, and it was one of the best experience ever, like watching the stars and staring at the warm campfire, talking with each other, and we sat there for hours. We didn't know how the time was flying, and the stargazing was the best part. I don't know, I tried to capture the video, but somehow it wasn't coming clearly. The stars wasn't visible in my video, so I couldn't take that part. And with some music, these memories will be there in our hearts forever. After those lovely moments, we headed back home. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.